Do you think you are too old to start doing art or to pick it up again? Or maybe you doubt you can learn a new technique, a new medium, or that you're just too rusty. If you've ever had similar thoughts, this video is for you. While we go through my high school sketchbooks, if you haven't seen the first one, go check it out. I will go through 10 reasons why it is never too late to start making art and why art is for everyone. First, art has no age. The first reason is simple: art is ageless. It doesn't matter if you are 5 or 95 years old, you can always start creating. Art is a wonderful form of personal expression that does not discriminate by age. You can capture your thoughts, emotions, and experiences in your creations, making each piece unique. Reason 2. Personal development. Art is a great way to develop yourself personally. It helps you discover new skills, improve your creativity, and increase your self-esteem. Art stimulates your brain and improves your cognitive skills. Activities such as painting or sculpting can help keep your mind active and agile. Creating art also improves your fine motor skills. Manipulating brushes, pencils, or sculpting tools can strengthen hand-eye coordination. Third, therapy and well-being. Creating art can be a form of therapy. It helps reduce stress, anxiety, and can improve your emotional well-being. It's a great way to relax and unwind. And finally, art is just fun. It allows you to enjoy the creative process and find pleasure in each stroke and color. Creating art offers you a space for self-reflection. You can explore your deepest thoughts and emotions throughout your works. Reason 4. Community, cultural exploration, and connection. Art allows you to connect with other people. Whether through art classes, exhibitions, or social media, you can find a community of people with similar interests. Art allows you to explore and appreciate different cultures. You can draw inspiration from styles and techniques from around the world, enriching your cultural perspective. Reason 5. Flexibility, freedom, inspiration. Art offers flexibility and freedom. You can create anytime, anywhere, and you don't need to follow strict rules. It's your space to be free and creative. Art can be a source of inspiration and motivation. Seeing your progress and achievements can motivate you to continue creating and exploring new ideas. Art is adaptable to any circumstance. You can create with simple materials and in any environment, making it accessible to everyone. Reason 6. Continuous learning, innovation, and creativity. It's never too late to learn something new. Art offers you the opportunity to constantly learn and improve, no matter your age. Art encourages innovation and creativity. It encourages you to think outside the box and find creative solutions to problems. Reason 7. Imagine a hopeful future. Art making can help us navigate our future problems. Our brain predicts what might come next in our lives and how we will thrive and survive by assessing all the information in a constant basis. When we are making art, our brain is always taking decisions in terms of tools, mark making, colors, how we translate our ideas into the real world, and so on. When you express yourself through art, you are unconsciously preparing for the future through your imagination, taking out negativity and envisioning hopeful outcomes. Reason 8. Contribution to society and legacy. Art can have a positive impact on society. Your creations can inspire, educate, and provoke social change. Creating art allows you to leave a legacy. Your works can be appreciated by future generations, becoming a part of your history and memory. Reason 9. Fostering patience, immersion, and focus. The artistic process encourages patience and perseverance. Learning new techniques and honing your skills takes time and dedication. Art allows you to fully immerse yourself in an activity, improving your ability to concentrate and focus. It's a great way to practice mindfulness. Reason 10. Sense of achievement. Completing a piece of art gives you a great sense of accomplishment. Seeing the result of your effort and creativity is incredibly rewarding. So now you know, it's never too late to start making art. I hope these 10 reasons have inspired you to pick up a brush, pencil, or any creative tool to explore your creative side. If you haven't watched the first part of this series, please do so. In my opinion, it's the best sketchbook of all of the 4. Thank you so much for watching. Enjoy your weekend and see you soon. Bye.